Today I have a cool video on how you can remotely open and close your windows using the key fob in a Ford. This is a Ford Fusion Energy 2019, but it does work with a lot of different Fords. So let me show you how to do that. In your settings over here on your dash, we are going to go over to settings here, and then vehicle, and then in Windows, if you have the remote open, if you have the remote close, set to on, and also the remote open, set to on, this will work. So let me get out of the vehicle and I'll show you exactly how this does work. So as you can see here, we are outside the vehicle now. So to remotely put your windows down, what you want to do is on your key fob, hit the lock until it beeps there, and then push the unlock twice and hold it down. And then you can see how the windows go down and your sunroof actually cracks as well for you. Now to put them back down, it's the same thing. Although this time you want to hit the lock switch. So hit the lock switch twice, hold it down, and your windows go back up. So really cool feature if you want to put your windows up or down while you may be working at your desk or whatever, and it's a nice day out like it is today.
PA's #1 Ford store, Twin Pine Ford.